Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you today how to change your HTTP to HTTPS extension in Hostinger. It is by far the quickest, easiest method. So let's dive in. So to change HTTP to HTTPS, we're going to go over to websites on the left-hand side of our homepage. Now, from here, you will be able to view all of your websites. Now, you'll find the website connected to the domain that you would like to use now, and it's this one. So let's click on dashboard. You also might see the word manage. Okay, essentially it'll take you over to this page, and on the left hand side you will now see a few options. You want to go down to domains, use the drop down menu, and here you're going to locate redirects. You can also go in from your homepage into domains. If you find the drop-down menu gives you the option redirects, you can access it from there too. Now right here, you'll see the redirect. So we're redirecting it from HTTP, and this is our domain, and we are going to redirect it to a URL. And here you want to select HTTPS, and you want to take this domain, and you want to add it in over here, and you're going to click on create. Once you're done, it'll now be an HTTPS redirect.